Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to create YouTube channel in mobile and earn money. So firstly, now open YouTube and sign in with your Gmail account. Firstly click on this icon. Click on my channel. Type your channel name. And read YouTube's terms of service and click on create channel. Now your channel is created. You will see this interface. For making the channel art, click this gear icon. Add a description. You can add a description about 1000 letter. After that, make OK. For creating the channel art, click this camera icon. Choose from your photos. Select your photo. Crop. Click on save. Now make your channel icon. Click this gear icon. Click this camera icon. Take a photo or choose from your photos. Select your photo as a channel icon. Adjust by cropping. After that, click on save. I am creating this channel art for YouTube. Only for example, you can create beautiful and nice channel art by getting the help canva.com. It's the very beautiful site. They are offering some free YouTube channel art and thumbnail. After that, click this arrow. For uploading video, click on video camera icon. Now select your video or record video by your device. Now type title for this video. Now type description about your video and make publicly. If you will make private, only you can see, and unlisted, anyone with the link can view, and public, anyone can search for and view. So make your video publicly, and after that click this icon. Now you can see this video is ready to be watched. You successfully upload your first video on YouTube channel. Now download one Google Play application, YouTube Studio, to analyze your channel. It's a very useful application for all YouTube creator, and there are another application which will be useful for you like thumbnail maker, channel manager, and screen recorder. Now open YouTube Studio. Now you can see analytic last 28 days, watch time, views, subscriber, and here is the your videos playlist, comments, and settings. In settings you can turn on or turn off notifications and comments. Important, get notifications for important comments, and if you want not comments, so check this box. Click on view more. Upside you will see most recent video on most viewed video, and for monetize your video you need firstly complete 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours watch time of your video. After that you open your channel on desktop in Google Chrome or any web browser.
And now for monetize and earning, open your channel on desktop, on the computer, or on desktop mode in mobile. After that you will see this interface. Now click on your channel icon and click on create studio. Here you will see your desktop dashboard. Click on channel and click on monetization enable. Account status monetization not enabled. You can apply for monetization at any time. To be reviewed, all channels need at least 4000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1000 subscribers. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and helps protect the creator community. Click on Start. Read YouTube Partner Program terms, and after that check all the boxes. And click on I accept. So there are 4 options for monetize. So first one we completed, second one sign up for AdSense, third one set monetization performance, and fourth get reviewed. So you can check another video and tutorial how to create AdSense account. Click on start.
After connecting your channel to Google AdSense, you complete third option, and your fourth option for revision will be complete when you complete 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours watch time in your previous year. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And one thing more I will discuss with you. You read carefully all the terms and conditions for YouTube channel, because YouTube is the very popular and very strict for terms. So I hope your journey will be very nice for YouTube. Thanks again for watching this video.